Oh yeah? Can you say it again? Can you say mama? Can you say mama? Whoa! You almost just rolled right over. Hi. Can you say mama? Huh? Hi. Can you say mama?
Mama.
You can say mama. Good job, Natalie. Whoa. No kicking.
No. Leave him alone. He's not doing anything to you. Be nice, Natalie.
She's like, I'm not getting attention, Dad.
Bubble.
Look at you rolling on your side, little man. Can you tell me a story, Gavin? Hi. Trying to eat your shirt? He's definitely moving himself around because he was facing up and down. Now he's sideways. Oh yeah? Trying to eat your shirt, big man?
I'm hungry.
It's like, I just took like a 3-hour nap, Mom. I need some food. Tooting up a storm, huh?
Toot.
Toot.
You don't want to watch your Gummy Bear song? You dance? You dancing? Or you jumping? He does have a hat on. Bear?
Look at him roll over on his side. Gentle. Let's not play with the straw around him. No, Natalie. You have a bunch of videos of you. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Oh, let me hear it. Let me hear you cry. Oh, well, look at this belly button. Oh, there's your belly button. There's your belly button. Oh yeah? Let me hear you cry. Let me hear it. Oh, 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 oh. You going for your arm? He's like, yeah.
What are you doing?
Here, bend your arm.
You touching your back?
Bend your arm and suck your thumb. Gentle. Oh, there we go. We gotta cry. You gonna turn it off on me? No.